Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a perfect short for the YouTube. So what you have to do is simply to download the Shotcut. This is a free program to edit the video. I'm gonna show you, and also I'm gonna put the link in the description. So you simply download free Shotcut, then you just search for it in here, and you simply have to download it for the Windows. Once you have it, then you simply install it. It's not so big deal. It's like a simple software to be installed. Then let's see. Let's start a program. This is how it starts. So you have to go to the video mode for the automatic. You click it. You go to custom, then add. Then you have to change the resolution to have the correct resolution for the short video. Then the aspect ratio, you have to change it to 9:16, and then you simply press OK. You name it like short for YouTube and test maybe. Then you press the start button. You have now to open the video that you want to edit it and to create a short video. So you go open file. In my case, this would be the video. So now you simply have to go for the filters. Then you press this plus icon button, which is add a filter, because we're gonna add a filter to the video. And then we go to video menu in here, show video filters, and then we scroll down in order to find crop source. You click on that, and you have to check the center button. As you can see in here, the player is not centered in the middle of the video, so then you have to simply press in here, left or right, in order to simply center it into the middle of the screen. Then you test it to see how it looks. You can do this live. Okay, it looks good for me. Then you simply have to export it. So you press the export button, export file. You save it as a MP4. You give it a name like my first video short for YouTube. Then you save it. You have to check it to see if it's okay and how it looks. And this is it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please press the like button, subscribe, and I'm waiting for you on my channel for other video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.